Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 1994 to 2001 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the truck and remove the rear wheel. Unbolt and remove the bump stop. Step 3. Slide the frame section on the frame rail using the holes for alignment. Clamp it in place. Step 4. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the frame section in place, then weld all edges fully. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall the bump stop using the included M10 hardware and a 15mm socket. Reinstall the rear wheel.